We're staying in our new office proposal.dwg file, and we're going to be taking a look now at how we can modify and also clip our attached external reference file. Obviously it's on the right hand end of the floor plan, so let's zoom in a little bit so that we can see what we're doing a little bit more clearly. I'm going to click on the attached XREF like so. So I click on it, and as you can see, the external reference tab appears on the ribbon. Now, one of the things you can do with XREFs is you can apply what is called a clipping boundary, so that only part of the XREF is displayed in the drawing. Now, this is quite useful. So if you look at our landscaping area that we've attached, we've got 3 rectangular landscaped areas and what looks like a sort of tiled area there, which might be hard standing for perhaps some chairs and tables. So we're going to create a clipping boundary, which is up here in the clipping panel. Click on Create Clipping Boundary, and you'll be given some options. Now, you could have already drawn a clipping boundary by way of drawing a polyline to select. We haven't done that, but we can have a polygonal clipping boundary, a rectangular clipping boundary, and we can also invert the clip if we want to. Now, we're going to go for rectangular, and the first corner will be there, and we'll come down to this end point here. Now, you'll notice as soon as I click on that second point, it has clipped the boundary. Now, if I click on this little arrow here, it will do the invert that we saw on the menu earlier. So notice we lose that little bit of tiling that we had in the landscaped area. Can you see that? We clip there and we clip there. So in essence, we might have 2 different design ideas there for the landscaping outside of the building. So that clipping is incredibly useful. Now, you can obviously invert it however much you like by clipping on the little arrow there. But if you want to get rid of that, you just go up to Remove Clipping, and it goes back to what it was before. Hit Escape a couple of times, and you're back to your XREF that you attached originally. So that's how quick and easy it is to modify and clip an external reference file that is attached to your existing host drawing.